When handling cash during business operations, it's crucial to prioritize security. A cash drop involves securely depositing cash into a safe or other secure location to minimize the amount on hand and reduce theft risks. The cash drop feature allows you to configure set amounts that forces a till or employee to conduct a cash drop before they can continue with sales. To make use of this feature, simply do the following. Log in to the point of sale using your unique access code or by scanning your fingerprint. Navigate to the Functions menu on the Sales Overview screen. Select the Cash Drop function. Choose the correct cash drop type. This can be either employee or till. This will be the cash up from which the cash on hand will either be decreased. Select an employee or till from the provided options. These selections are toggled according to the cash drop type selected. Enter a reference for the transaction. Enter the applicable amount. Please note that the system will not allow for more cash to be dropped than what is calculated on hand. Finally, click on Accept to finalize.